Alright, number 10 here. So, what is the shape of this base? It is a circle. Shocker, it's a cone here. So, don't fall for the trap that it's upside down. The base is still a circle. So, first thing I gotta do is find the volume of this cone. What I want you to do, again, I want you to pause this video. I want you to try and figure this out for yourself. And then click play once you think you have it, and we will come back together and I will show you how to do this. My biggest hint. Look at this. Your formula is radius. This is my biggest hint. This is not the radius. Go ahead and pause. So as I was saying before you paused, this right here is not the radius. This is the diameter. So in order to figure out the radius, you're going to divide the diameter by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the radius is actually 1. Which makes sense because here to the edge is 1 if the whole thing is 2. So you're cutting it in half. Okay, formula, V equals 1/3 pi r squared, because that's the area of my base, times the height. Radius we said was 1. The height is this one here, it's 2. Okay, plug it in. 1 squared, 1 times 1 is still 1. 1 times 2 now is, well, 2. And then I need 1/3 of 2. So 1/3 times 2, or 2 divided by 3. That gives me 0.6 repeating. Again, I want this one to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to look at my tenths place. Look at the next place value, which is a 6. It's going to tell me to round up. So I'm going to round this to 0.7. Don't forget your pi. Bring it down. It's important. Last thing, look at your units. Feet cubed. Volume's always cubed. Number 9, find the volume of this cone. The thing I love about this, big B, that means the area of the base is already given to you. That's one less thing you have to do. I love this. So, general formula, V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. The area of the base is 9 pi, so I'm going to plug that in here, and my height is 7. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to multiply 9 times 7. That gives me 63, and I have that pi. I'm just bringing it down. I need 63 divided by 3, or times 1/3, whatever your heart desires. That gives me 21 pi. Last thing you gotta do, look at your units. km, so it's kilometers, volume is cubed. Okay, next one, I want you guys to do this one by yourself. So you know what the formula is by now. If you don't, go back, look in your notes. It gives you the area of the base and it gives you a height. Plug them in. Pause this video. Try it by yourself. We're gonna come back together. Alright, so general formula, write it out every time. I don't care how tiring it gets, just do it. V equals B. B is the area of the base. It's given to you. It's 81 pi. So plug that in there. And my height is 18. Plug that in there. Looks something like this. 18 times 81. Use a calculator, please. Hopefully it did. It works out to be 1,458, and then I'm bringing that pi down. I need 1/3 of that, so I'm either dividing by 3 or multiplying by 1/3. It's actually 486, worked out to be kind of nice. Again, don't forget that pi. Last thing, look at your units. MI, miles, and volume is always cubed. So that's the end of our notes.